Bravo Kilo. This is Oscar Echo 6 Mike Bravo Golf. You copy, Khalid?
Yeah, copy, Michelle. How are you? Thank you coming for my call. Oscar Echo 6 Mexico Bravo Germany Alpha 61 Bravo Kilo. Nice I catch your first call so here on 80 meter. You're coming 25, maybe 30 dB. Let's see my signal because you read you very nice. You read you very strong and very nice. I think 25. I think 25, 30 dB you report. Oscar Echo 6 Mexico Bravo Germany Alpha 61 Bravo Kilo, Roger?
Very good, Khalid. Thank you very much indeed for the call and the comeback and the nice report. You are 30 to 40 over 9 here. My name is Mike India Kilo Echo, and I have worked you on 20 but never on the low band. Wonderful signal from you. Thank you very much indeed for picking me up. Alpha 61 Bravo Kilo, OE6 Mike Bravo Golf.
Yeah, Michael. Yeah, I remember you, Michael. Yeah, I called before two bend. This now 3 bend. Thank you for my report. Now I see your report. You're coming 35, 35 dB. Your report 35 dB. I record video. I put maybe tomorrow, maybe today, maybe tomorrow. I put on YouTube. You can see your signal and you listen your YouTube tomorrow. Beautiful signal 30, 35. Your report here on my city, Dubai. Thank you, Michael. Thank you for this call also for new bend, and I see you again on 40 meter. Oscar Echo 6 Oscar Echo 6 Mexico Bravo Germany Alpha 61 Bravo Kilo, Roger?
Wonderful. Thank you very much, Khalid. We'll take a look on the YouTube video, and it has been wonderful to work you on the third band here on 80 tonight. A61 Bravo Kilo, OE6 MBT. Shukran ma salama. Thank you.
Yeah, Michael, for 1 minute for your time, please. 1 minute, stand by 1 minute. What your antenna now? What your antenna? I see on KRZ.com 2 element, and also I see another antenna. What your antenna now, Roger?
Yeah, Roger. This is the 2 element 80 by OptiBeam, and I also have another antenna from OptiBeam for the other band, QSL.
Oh, fantastic. This 2 element for OptiBeam. This is my dream antenna. For 80 meter. I think maybe for photo I buy this. I get this antenna because I listen for many stations. Maybe here in Kuwait 902 Hotel Nirwi, Mr. Hamid. You have also same antenna 2 element from OptiBeam. Beautiful signal. You also come in beautiful 35 dB. Your OptiBeam antenna work very good. Thank you very much for this information, and thank you for this call also. You have my dream antenna, beautiful antenna. Thank you very much, Mike, and enjoy your time and enjoy your antenna OptiBeam. Oscar Echo 6 Mexico Bravo Germany Alpha 61 Bravo Kilo. Thank you.
Thank you very much. It's been a pleasure and delightful to work you. 76 Khalid, best wishes to you, Habibi. A61 BK OE6 MBT. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye. Good night.